that one has a very long vine. Look how many plants.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I wish I had more of a green thumb than I do.
You just gotta talk to him.
Well, my pathos do good. It's the longest plant that they're growing.
Love.
You will grow and you will like it. Just like that, right?
Okay, that's German love.
German love.
How old are you? We're in our 30s. She just turned 31 and I turn 33 next week.
Okay.
So
I'm 32, so I'm the same.
I was wondering, you look kind of like our age, so.
Yeah, we could be friends.
Yeah, oh yeah, totally, totally.
yeah, we're just under 2 years apart. So our birthdays are a week, but I got the weirdest question. Someone's like, "Are you twins?" No. No.
Well, you have you look alike somehow.
Well, I mean, we are sisters.
Yes.
So just not
Yeah, but
twins,
just not twins.
sisters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But our birthdays are a week apart, so we always shared our birthdays, or a lot of the time we did growing up. Yeah.
We are as close as twins, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe that's why people ask, like, are you twins in your mind? You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we are.
Probably, yeah.
It's kind of scary.
It is scary.
Get out.
Hey! You can't kick me out.
That's true. I've tried.
Take care, this doesn't stick, okay? So move this gently. What's your name? And take the little part out. Here, and this, open it.
them into more squares, Bri?
Oh, yes. Thanks.
I don't want to backseat cook or anything. But
I just got so excited.
I know.
Okay, so we're gonna cut about peppers. So, I don't need to discard this into
The birthday girl.
Oh, yeah. I got us a cooking class for her. I'm the one who likes to cook. She's happy. I am. She's easy going.
birthday girl.
A cooking class.
Yeah, oh yeah. I think I got that from probably drumming and rock climbing.
What?
Drumming and rock climbing.
Violins or violence, old heartaches come crashing down. I need the violins or violence. Fiona, I need your helping hand. Neona, I need.
Then breathe, move here. You breathe, yeah, breathe for that, and you go like taking both down, some down here, like this, and then I can do that. Then you don't need to transfer it. That, yeah, and you need to jiggle the back.
The violin. No past and no future tense. I need you by my side. I need your hand.
understand.
Okay,
I like
so
that.
I'm gonna recount what you said. Yeah. I'm gonna pull it onto this burner. Come here. No, the pan?
Yes.
Okay.
Because if something falls, it will fall here.
Okay. So I'm
And
gonna
we
bring
can
it
take
We can pick up the pieces.
very successful. Do I put it down? Yes.
Got this.
Okay. Now I'm gonna breathe.
Breathe.
I feel like I have a better grip with my hand, you know? It's not hard. Now, reflex.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, God.
Careful with
Baby, it's no surprise. Killer kissing till the party dies. Baby, it's no surprise. Killer kissing till the party
You made a lot of this.
As long as that big comes, that's
Tara, you made
No, I know, we can have fun.
a good majority of this
We've done
paella.
that a lot.
How do you feel? I feel pretty darn good. How does it taste? It is fantastic.
Just, yeah. No.
Then grab your
After
torch.
breakfast this morning goes 250, then it's half an hour later.
Tired of it, or?
No. It's eventually it becomes like automatic.
Yeah.
So you need to think a lot. But sometimes
We're doing it old school. We're gonna try it the old style, like the traditional style.
they want it.
when I'm furthest from myself, feeling close to the stars. I've been invaded by the dark, trying to recognize myself when I feel I've been replaced. When I'm furthest from myself, feeling close to the stars. I've been invaded by the dark, trying to recognize myself when I feel I've been replaced. But I can feel it kick down in my soul, and it's pulling me back to earth. Let me know I am not a slave, can't be contained. So pick me from the dark and pull me from the grave, 'cause I still feel alive. It is hopeless, I start to notice.
This is gonna pull smoke out.
Okay.
So make sure watch your eyes. And you should touch this for 3 seconds. I'm gonna count for you. I'm gonna tell you where to pull go up. Okay?
Yep.
And as this is smaller than this, you're gonna have to choose one corner and then just go to the other side.
Okay.
Okay? So point it up.
A little bit closer, Deb.
It's like when we went to the Dominican.
To the further side
years
first?
ago,
Count,
in
yeah.
a beach thing, they said,
One,
this point,
two,
at that
3,
point,
up.
you see a person.
Now go to the other side, but moving it
Okay,
until
don't
it's
go
sharp.
down the mountain, because the baby, yeah, it's just like,
1, 2, 3. A little bit there, and a little bit there.
Reminds me when I joined the
1,
fraternity.
2, 3. You're done. Perfect.
Wow.
the goofiest thing. And if I was driving.
Jeff? No, just one. Did you want to make yours?
And I still feel alive. Back in
I'm
the
going by
moment.
the Do I actually make sure? I didn't see it. Oh my gosh. I love that Debbie camera video. That's what I'm going to use too.
Perfect. Yeah.
Brilliant, Bri.
You gotta know which one's which, baby.
I'm sorry.
Nah, you can't.
You need to wait a little bit to
I have little patience, but I'll be there. I'm not going anywhere. I got to go drag me out the door.
Do you remember?
Lost in the in-between, but I can't keep me asleep for the long cut. I still feel alive. This whole thing, I start to notice